The department is offering two programs, one undergraduate program in BEEEE and one postgraduate program in Power Electronics and Drives. Our department is also a recognized research center of Anna University, and both internal as well as external scholars are pursuing their PhD in our department. Our department has 9 laboratories which provides the state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities. The department is also having 2 centers of excellence, one in renewable energy and another one in power system protection and switchgear, supported by Salzer Electronics, Coimbatore. All our students are bringing lots and lots of laurels to the department. Totally we have 2 intakes. Totally we have 120 students every year getting into the portals of EEE department at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. All our students are being constantly encouraged and motivated to take part in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. All our faculty members are dedicated and they are ready to handhold the students to take them to the next level. Recently, in one of the Smart India Hackathon hardware contest, our department students along with the mechanical department students, they have bagged a cash prize of 50,000 rupees for providing an industrial solution for a company. This is being guided by the Associate Professor Dr. S. Allirani. Dr. Allirani and her team, they went to IIT Kharagpur to present this project, and we are very happy to say that our students has bagged the prizes. Apart from this, last year one of our students has grabbed the prize from the Robert Bosch Hackathon, and all our students are doing great as far as achievements in not only the curricular activities but also in co-curricular, extracurricular and sports activities. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Soumya. I'm in 4th year of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. I'm holding a CGPA of 9.6 and working as an intern in ESCO Graphics, India. Our college helped me a lot in grooming my technical, coding and soft skills. We learn from best minds in a peaceful atmosphere. Our faculty and staff members encourage me a lot in attending different symposiums, project competition, paper presentation and contests in several platforms and colleges. They also guided me through several projects and helped me in joining project competitions like Smart India Hackathon conducted by Indian government and IICDC conducted by Texas Instruments. They also encourage us to participate in many coding hackathons which helped me to improve my coding skills that came in handy during my placements. Our college also assists us in improving our soft skills by having Cambridge certification for business English as part of the curriculum. And it also supports us in successfully completing many online certification courses from renowned platforms such as Coursera and NPTEL. I'm grateful to the faculty, staff members and college for helping me to start my career. Thank you.